everyone, my name is Raindrops. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning drop, what it do, girl? Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a Get Ready With Me. So excited because as you guys can see, I have a new background. I told you guys before, years ago, I found out cheaper ways to do your backdrops. Instead of, getting the whole backdrop paper that costs like a fortune, you could use wrapping paper, solid color wrapping papers. And I was doing that, and I was getting my paper from Dollar Tree. And because it was $1, it was cheap, just like they said. I saw a lot of other videos doing that. But the problem with the paper was that it wasn't long enough. So I would have to, if you can hear the boys in the background, sorry, they're up. But I would have to double line the background, and you can see like right in the middle where they had to meet. And it was what it was, that's what I could afford to do. And I just got tired of that. And then I always saw the lighted, backdrops, and I'm like, I want to say I saw like a video in the past, but went over top of my head. I never paid it, any mind. But this literally was under $20. I got this a while back, earlier this year, and I used it in one of my videos, and it's just been sitting there. So I'm like, I can use that in the background. I move all of my hair shelves around, out of the way. And then I saw a video, and I think the girl said like she did hers for under $10. So it was just simple. I went and found the sheer curtains, everything I got from Walmart, and they were like $5 each. So I got 2 of the white curtains, and then the LED lights were $3 something. We all know it's like Christmas time now, so they're really out, and I wanted all white. So that's what I did. I got 2 boxes of the 100 count of LED lights and 2 curtains. Curtain rod, we put it up last night, took every bit of probably about 15 minutes. I put the lights up myself. They didn't take that long. I used clear thumbtacks and got those up. And then my husband, got the drill and hung the curtain rods up. And here we are. Again, I think this was like $5. It just came in one big bunch. And the wooden vase is, I think that was like $6, $7. That wasn't that much either. So you don't need a lot of money to start out on your videos. You use what you have and use your resources. So I do look to YouTube for a lot of information, or what's the word? I can't even think of the word, but use what you have. It's not that serious. But I really do love this because it's all white, and that's what I wanted. So today's video is a whole Get Ready With Me. Like I said, I'm gonna do the wig install. I've already had this wig on. This is by Outre. Thinking about just straightening it, wearing it straight. And again, this has the elastic band, it has the combs, and yeah, we're gonna do this today in an outfit. So if you want to see how this look turns out, please continue to watch. And if you're new here, take the time out, it's free. Hit the subscribe button. I'm pretty sure me and you are gonna get along. Like this video, please like this video. It helps get into the algorithms to let other people see the video. Leave me a comment. As always, I like to get to know you, and share this video. The more the merrier. So without further ado, let's get started.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.